How to start a commercial cleaning business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a commercial cleaning business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. If you've been thinking about starting your own business and have an interest in the cleaning industry, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show you how to start a commercial cleaning business from scratch. So, let's dive right in. The first step in starting any business is conducting thorough research. Begin by understanding the commercial cleaning industry, its trends, and potential market opportunities. Identify your target audience, which can include offices, retail spaces, healthcare facilities, and more. Once you have a clear understanding of the industry, it's time to create a business plan. Your plan should include your company's vision, mission, and goals, as well as a detailed analysis of your competition, pricing strategies, and marketing tactics. This blueprint will guide you throughout your journey and help you stay focused. Before you start operating, you need to take care of the legal aspects of your business. Register your business with the appropriate local and national authorities, and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. You should also consider insurance to protect your business from potential liabilities. Additionally, set up a business bank account and establish a bookkeeping system to keep track of your finances. Proper financial management is crucial for the success of your business. Equipment and supplies. Now, let's talk about the equipment and supplies you'll need for your commercial cleaning business. The basics include cleaning solutions, disinfectants, brooms, mops, vacuum cleaners, and microfiber cloths. As your business grows, you may consider investing in specialized equipment like carpet cleaners, floor buffers, and power washers. Remember to prioritize quality and durability when purchasing your equipment. Cheap and unreliable supplies can hinder your productivity and potentially damage your reputation. Segment 4: Building your team. As a commercial cleaning business, you'll likely need a team to tackle the various cleaning tasks efficiently. Start by hiring reliable, trustworthy individuals who have a strong work ethic. Conduct thorough background checks and interviews to ensure you're assembling a reliable team. Provide comprehensive training to your employees to ensure they understand the proper cleaning techniques and safety protocols. Emphasize the importance of professionalism and excellent customer service, as these factors can differentiate your business from competitors. Segment 5: Marketing and Client Acquisition. Let's move on to marketing your commercial cleaning business. Start by creating a professional website that showcases your services, team, and contact information. Optimize your website for search engines to improve your online visibility. Networking is crucial in this industry, so reach out to local businesses and attend networking events to establish connections. Offer special promotions or referral incentives to attract new clients. Additionally, leverage social media platforms to showcase your work and engage with potential customers. Segment 6: Providing excellent service. Once you start acquiring clients, it's vital to provide excellent service to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Develop a clear cleaning checklist for each client and maintain open lines of communication. Regularly evaluate your performance and address any concerns promptly. Remember, word-of-mouth referrals can be a powerful tool for your business. Aim to exceed your clients' expectations to generate positive reviews and build a solid reputation in the industry. Conclusion: starting a commercial cleaning business requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work. By conducting thorough research, taking care of legal requirements, investing in quality equipment, building a reliable team, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you'll be well on your way to success. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.